Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anusha. Thank you for joining with me. So today's video is all about my skin and body care. So a few days ago I was feeling so much sad about my skin because my skin was looked so dry, so patchy. It looked so much pigmentation in there. Like I don't like my skin that day. So after using a new brand, this is from Pilgrim brand, then I feel my skin day by day it looks so much smooth, silky, soft, and so much youthful. So if you want to see how I take care my body and skin, then just let's get started. So at first I wash my body with clean water, then I use the volcanic lava ash body scrub from Pilgrim brand, and this is the brand. This is 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and like everything free. And I love this brand because this is a Indian product, Indian brand. So I love the packaging. You can see it looks so luxurious, and the quantity is 200 gram, and the product is a plastic bottle. And I just love the quantity, especially the quantity, and the showing you the product detail. So you can see it's look a powdery product. It's I just love the smell first of all, and after and they have a spoon with that. So I just take 1 teaspoon, like 1 spoon of this product on my hand, and then scrubbing my skin like this very gently. So the body scrub is crafted to gently exfoliate, detoxify and brighten your skin. Volcanic lava ash exfoliates and promotes skin cell regeneration, reduce pigmentation, and the white lotus improves skin elasticity, leaving it fresh, bright and rejuvenate. The unique texture of the scrub with its self melt feels like something you have never experienced before. It exfoliates without feeling harsh on the skin and washes away, leaving the skin hydrated, moist, and supple, exactly the way you want your skin to be. So after using the product, I can feel my skin feels so smooth and so like soft. And then I wash my hand with the same product. It works well for dry and patchy skin, and when you using the product, don't like rub too much. Just use and scrub the product very gently. Then I'm drying my skin with a towel, and after that I can feel instantly it looks so much smooth. Next product is Sia and Cocoa body butter with white lotus, and the quantity is same quantity, 200 gram. And which I like in this brand is especially they gives you a spoon with every product. So this is very hygienic like kind of product, and I love the smell. I whenever I open the bottle, I just love the smell. It's so much refreshing. It's so much like I have no words to say. Now applying it all over my skin, my leg and my hand, it very smoothly. So the ultra hydrating shea and cocoa body butter is enriched with vitamins and exfoliant rich white lotus extracts. It melts straight into the skin, locking in this natural moisture while nourishing its radiance. It spreads easily and forms a protective layer to prevent environment damage. The skin continuously loses moisture under the sun or in air conditioner environment and will thus from wrinkles and lines over time. So after using the body butter, my skin feels so much silky, smooth, and so much like buttery kind of feelings, which I love so much. I'm showing you before and after. That was my skin before, and after using the product you can see it looks much more hydrated and much more like smooth and silky. So this product is suitable for all kind of skin, like all types of skin, and women and men both are can use the product, and I just love the finishing result. Hope you guys like this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, so just like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.